EN407 2004 Demystified. For professionals working in an environment with high heat, fire, sparks, or molten metal, gloves to protect them against thermal hazards are vital. If the risks are low, an all-round leather glove without synthetic fabric may be good enough. However, if the user is often exposed to thermal hazards, or if the risks are higher, it is important to choose gloves that have certified protection against heat and fire. EN407 is a series of standardized tests for gloves to indicate the protection against heat, flame, and molten metal splashes. If you work in an environment with these hazards, the test results of EN407 are an invaluable tool to help you select the correct glove for keeping your hands safe. This is the symbol for EN407. Under the shield are 6 digits symbolizing different properties and protection levels that the glove will give against certain risks. The first test is resistance to flammability. The glove is tested with a gas flame for 15 seconds. After the flame is out, the time is measured for how long the glove either burn or ember. The lower the time, the higher the protection value. The second test is resistance to contact heat. The glove is exposed to heat between 100 and 500 degrees Celsius. It is then measured how long it takes for the temperature to increase by 10 degrees inside the glove. The longer the time, the higher the protection value. The third test is resistance to convective heat. The glove is tested with a gas flame and the time is measured how long it takes to increase the temperature inside the glove by 24 degrees Celsius. The longer the time, the higher the protection value. The fourth test is resistance to radiant heat. The glove is tested in front of a heat source, and the average time is measured for the heat to penetrate the glove material. The longer the time, the higher the protection value. The fifth test is resistance to small splashes of molten metal. Drops of molten metal is dripped on the glove in this test. The number of drops needed to increase the temperature by 40 degrees Celsius inside the glove is counted. The more drops needed, the higher the protection value. The sixth and final test is resistance to large splashes of molten metal. Molten metal is poured over the glove. The total weight is measured of how much molten metal is needed to damage a patch of simulated skin inside the glove. And here is a summary of all the different tests. Choosing the right glove is vital to ensure adequate protection in environments with heat and fire hazards. For more information on choosing the right glove for your customers, please visit www.softtouch.se or contact us.